Hyper mediocrity.
You might be wondering who I am, but if you must ask, Captain B.M.P, motherfucker. Big, meaty penises. Got that? You know what I'm saying? You fuck with us, you fucking with the best, motherfucker. Done. One.
Feels good. Looks good. Sounds good. Looks good. Feels good too. Feels good.
What up, players? It's Captain B.M.P again. Now I'm here, you know, this is my face. When I'm getting facial reconstructions, you're not going to see who I am again. This is not my normal face. I might look like somebody you know, but I don't, in fact, so go fuck yourself. But I'm here today to knight somebody into the B.M.Ps, and in fact, her name is Zoe Villani, and she is a very fine woman.
No.
Yeah.
Okay. Here it goes.
Ms. Zoe Villani, knighting you into a big, meaty penis. Welcome. Enjoy.
Thank you.